everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and happy Mask Monday. I am doing this Pacifica After Sun Cool and Glow Facial Sheet Mask. Has aloe and vitamin C and calendula and vanilla. Calendula. I think I said that kind of wrong. Sticks pretty well, this mask, but I've had it on now for about 5 minutes or so. But in this video, I'm going to go ahead and open up my, where is it? Here it is, single swag. This is for the month of July. I got it on Friday and can't believe I even got it so quickly. All right, so this is what I received. The first thing is this, let me see. Oh, this one. This is a Violet by Violet Harper. It's a Jane bracelet and earring set, and they value this at $48. So let's check it out. Comes in this nice little pouch. I like it. Very pretty. Good packaging. Let me turn my light on. My light's not even on. Let's see. That might be better to see the products. I'm not sure. Let's see. So here it is. It's gold. I prefer silver jewelry, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and open this up. I've been dying to open up this box to see what I got. Okay, so here's the bracelet. It's a cute little bracelet, and then the earrings are right here. So it's a cute little set. Not bad. I'd have to try on the bracelet, and my wrists are pretty small. I'll have to try it on, see if it fits, and if not, this will go in a future giveaway. So there's that. And then they gave us an oversized pouch is what they call this. And they say this is worth $28. Go ahead and open this up. And maybe, yes, there. Found it. So here it is here. It's pretty. It's okay. And then the inside here does, well, I think it's waterproof. I don't know. It's by Sienna May. So it's not bad. It's okay. And then by Manna Kadar, we got a Luxe Collection hand cream. Where is that? Let's see. Is this it? Yeah. They put it in this packaging here, I guess, in case it leaked or something. I don't know. So here it is here. Let me go ahead and smell this for you. It's got a safety seal, but I'm going to go ahead and take that off because I am ready for a new hand cream. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see. All I can smell really is my mask, but there's that. I don't smell anything. It says it's formulated with lotus flower oil, providing moisture and antioxidants to help stimulate and promote cell turnover. This non-greasy hand lotion will leave your skin feeling refreshed and renewed. Huh. Yeah, I don't really smell much of anything. Maybe it's because I have my mask on, so that's not really fair for me to say there's no scent when there might be. But I can just smell the face mask. Sorry about that. Let me see. I don't know. It doesn't really say it has a scent, but let's move on. Okay, so we got that. And I don't know if I mentioned they say that's worth $26. It's a good size hand cream. I don't know about $26 worth of hand cream. And then we got the, what is this? A Charlotte Star foldable compact mirror. Comes in packaging like this. They say this is worth $22. So let's check this out. Comes in bubble wrap. It's kind of heavy. It's the first thing I notice when I open this is it is kind of heavy. So it's just a nice little mirror, both sides. One's of course magnified and one's not. So Oh, I got a little eyebrow just like wanting to be weird. Anyway, but this is nice. It's just a little weighted, like to put it in my purse or something. I mean, I will carry it, but it's just a little heavy. But I guess that's because it's good quality. I don't know. Charlotte Star. I'm gonna have to look up the prices of all this stuff, the real prices, if I can find them and put it on the screen somewhere. I usually do that in these videos. And then we got a book called The Looker. I don't know if everyone's going to get the same book, but I got The Looker. It's a novel by Laura Simmons. It's on the Vogue Best Books list, and it was named a top read by Entertainment Weekly. And it's kind of a short book, and it seems like it's really going to be good. I love to read, so this is a great bonus for me. This is the first time we've gotten a book that I can remember anyway for this box, at least for me. I mean, I haven't been getting it for as long as some people, but it's just, let's see, in this arresting debut, a woman becomes fixated on her neighbor, the actress. Anyway, I'm not going to read it all to you on the back, but I'll probably be reading this, and then if, you know, do a review on it. This may end up in a giveaway after I read it. So at that point, I'll go over what the book is about. And then we got this cute, oh, this is nice. $23. They say this is a replenishing cucumber mist. And I don't know how to say the brand name, but it's SOOAE. Not too sure about how to say that, but I love facial mists. I do. I feel like I've been going through the change now for years. I mean, I get hot flashes like you wouldn't believe. So this is really, really good for me. I love to use face mists when I have those hot flashes. So very nice. And then by Jelly Pong Pong, we got a Skin Reverie Body Glow Moisturizer. So this must, they say this is $39 right here. And it says it's a creamy, dewy moisturizer that impacts hydration and incandescence at the same time. Superfine mica particles allow you to glimmer like a goddess. Ooh, nice. Okay. Anyway, let's see what they mean by glimmer like a goddess. I don't want to be sparkly. That's something I don't like, is sparkles. I don't mind a little shine, but I don't like sparkles. Let me see if I can open this. It's got cellophane wrapped all over it. If I can find the, you know, where the crease is, I could get it off. Huh. Just wanted to kind of see if this shimmer, okay, I got it. What kind of shimmer is this? Is this a glittery shimmer? Because I don't want it if it is. Let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on here. Ooh, so it looks like that. Looks like kind of a goldish color. Just rub it on there. Wow, that's kind of dark, isn't it? It's giving me like a orangey color to my skin, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it just needs to be rubbed in more. And, you know, I don't know. I can see the shine. I can see it. It doesn't seem to be sparkly. It did rub in pretty well. So, huh. Okay. When we went on our last cruise, I was wearing a dress that was not low cut, but, you know, it was cut like, you know, down to here. And basically, I wish I had some sort of thing like this where I could have rubbed it here, because I'm all pale here. So it was kind of funny, but anyway, so that was $39. Probably mentioned that. Again, I'm going to go ahead and try to find the real prices for everything and post them on the screen somewhere. But that was it for my box. Now, I love this box. I love this month. Some months are better than others, but I've never really been too disappointed. I have always been pretty happy with the items that I get in this box. Usually there's a snack. They left that out this time, and I don't miss it. I don't miss it at all. I'm very happy that there was no snack. I don't need it. Don't need the extra calories. I don't need the extra snacking. But this is a nice mask, I have to say. It's not ready to be taken off yet, so I'm probably going to go ahead and put you on pause, and then I will be back in just a little while after it soaks in. All right, I'm back. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the single swag box. And everyone, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you can, please hit the subscribe button. And I do have some hidden giveaways out there, so please be on the lookout for those and have a great day. Bye. And happy 4th of July.